Hello everyone. This is Kiki. Today, this fan's watch has no issues. He just wants to change to a stainless steel bezel. Next, Kiki will heat it in a hot air box. This will soften the adhesive. Then, a separation tool is used to cut through the waterproof glue. He finds the flex cable latch. The screen is removed. The battery is pried up. The battery is taken out. Next, he starts removing the vibration motor. He unscrews the screws holding the back cover. Removing the back cover is similar to the screen. He uses a separation tool to cut the waterproof glue. Then, the speaker is removed. Finally, only the crown remains. He uses a professional tool to remove the crown. He takes out the stainless steel bezel. Assembly starts in the reverse order. First, the crown is put back in. He puts the speaker back into the bezel. The back cover and motherboard are reassembled. The vibration motor is installed. The battery is put back. The screen is connected for a test, and it works. All functions are fine. Finally, he restores its airtightness. The bezel has been successfully changed. It feels brand new, doesn't it? He believes this watch can last another 3 to 5 years. It will have no issues at all. If you also want to change to a stainless steel case, then hurry up and consult him.